both of them coming up by this way and just go in one way. The ball intakes water with one output. Woohoo! It's super strong suck, both of them. So I drive one, this one. Oh, it's gone all. Okay, so we get, sorry, it sucked me in. Okay, we're going to see and I put how strong is that. Oh. Wow, it's really huge size. Here's all the lift that I just put in the other side. It's coming here. Okay, it's very strong. This is, we call a new style, a double. The ball intakes water with one output intake water siphon system. Okay, everyone, this is a style new setup that we just use. Like as you can see over there, we can't punch the hole with this rod, so we have to use this style setup to make it stronger pump and non-stop pumping, because you know we use this air pipe to make it reuse the air coming back from the output, and it stores the air and water here to fill in whenever the water needed. So both of them coming up by this way and just go in one way. So okay, thank you very much for watching my tutorial today, and I hope you enjoy with this new style setup siphon system with two intake with one output. So the next video we will make another style setup very different. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like the video, and don't forget to share if you think this video is really important. So everyone, you can just use like all this connecting pipe, and you can just wrap if you don't have any if you don't use any glue, you can just wrap like plastic with a rubber, wrap all the connecting, so it make it stronger and work perfectly, never last long. Okay, thank you very much for watching my tutorial today. Subscribe if you are the first watching my video. Bye.